Health outcomes of a high fructose intake. The importance of physical activity. Introduction. Fructose, a stereoisomer of glucose, is a monosaccharide that is present in fruits, vegetables, and nectars or nectar products such as honey. Overview of fructose metabolism. The set of fructolytic enzymes appears to be slowly expressed in a small bowel, enterocytes, hepatocytes, and kidney proximal tubular cells. Fructose metabolism takes place in cells that are also capable of releasing secondary intermediary metabolites into the blood. Fructolytic enzymes are highly active in the liver. It is generally assumed that ingested fructose is essentially metabolized in the gut and the liver, and that only a small portion of it gains access to the systemic circulation. However, it's been recently documented using a dual fructose tracer method that about 15% of a 30-gram fructose load escape first pass subclinic uptake and appeared in the systemic circulation over the 4 hours following its ingestion. Fructose uptake is mediated by vasylated membrane transports GLOT5 and GLOT2, which are not regulated by insulin. Effects of high fructose diets on health and health-related markers. Fructose specifically impaired hepatic, but not muscles, insulin sensitivity. A recently made analysis further indicated that this effect was observed with weight maintenance diets as well as with hypercaloric high fructose diets. Some studies, however, reported that intramicellar lipid concentration were increased in health subjects overweight with sucrose or in sibling of type 2 diabetes subjects overweight with fructose. The concern that longer exposure to fructose may possibly impair muscles insulin sensitivity, since increased intermyocellular lipid concentration are thought to be associated with the muscle's insulin resistance. Consumption of a high fructose diet increased intrahepatic fat concentration. Fructose metabolism during exercise. Glucose, lactate, and fatty acid are prime energy substrates during endurance exercise, since they can be readily taken from the blood by skeletal muscles fibers or be released from intermyocellular glycogen and lipid stores. Dietary fructose is used as energy substrate during exercise. In a human 13C lit fructose ingested before and during exercise was indeed found to be rapidly oxidized to 13CO2. Fructose metabolism during exercise compared to single carbohydrate types. The congestion of mixture of a glucose and fructose is also known to increase oxygenase